Hello world, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Easy Does Tech. On today's episode, we are going over the R1Intelli Case by Elago. A couple videos ago, I did a Apple TV 4K 1-year review, and on that video, I stated that I hate the design of this guy right here, the remote. It's made out of glass in the front. I've owned this one right here for a year, and as you guys can see, I broke that literally within minutes of owning it. I dropped it on the floor, bam, broke. Ever since then, I've been using a case around it. Now, I recently just picked up a new Apple TV for another room in my home, and I have not used this guy yet. I've been using the Apple TV app to do all the browsing stuff, but I think I'm ready to use this guy now, and for that reason, I ordered the case. So let's get into the unboxing, and then we'll go over first impressions.
All right, guys, so here we have the case. Now, let me just disclose before I go and do this unboxing, I am not getting paid to do this unboxing or review it. I did purchase this on my own, found it on Amazon. But Elago, if you're watching, you want to send your boy some merchandise, so I can review, holler at your boy. All right, now the reason I went with this case here, it is because it's made out of silicone. I'm a big fan of the silicone cases. Even for my phones, I usually tend to lean towards the silicone cases because I feel it gives you the best shock absorption with the most minimalistic look. Now, it also includes a strap, which I thought was pretty neat. It includes two magnets on the very back side, which allow you to stick it to any TV, table, refrigerator, any kind of metal surface, which is pretty cool. And that's what kind of intrigued me. And I decided, hey, I'm going to go with this here. This case, I purchased it for $7.99, which was very cheap. It arrived within one business day on Amazon. So yeah, let's go and take this out. Now, the unboxing experience is going to be very minimal. There's really not much to it. So here we have the case, and right away we see that little magnet inside. I wonder if you can take it out. You can probably take it out, but not without stretching or maybe possibly damaging the silicone case there. So I'm not going to try that. On the very bottom, you do see the little brand, Elago. On the back side, you can tell that it's raised a little bit. It's supposed to help with the grip. So we'll test that out and see how it feels. On the bottom side here, the strap is already connected to it, so you don't have to fiddle with that, which is pretty nice. And then we have the slot so you can plug in your Apple TV remote and charge it. So let's go ahead and pop this in here real quick. There we go. So that was very, very easy, guys. There's really not much to it. As you guys can see, the top part is open, allowing you to use touch controls, press the buttons. But it's also raised a little bit, so if you put it on any flat surface, you're not going to get any, it's not going to rub up against the glass there. Yeah, the case feels really good, guys. It's right away. I'm liking this a lot more than this little cheap one that I got. I mean, they're both really... I believe I paid the same for both of them. I was actually about to purchase this again, and I saw this. It was maybe $1 more, I believe $1 or $2 more. And I said, hey, why not? Let's give this a shot. But yeah, I'm glad I went with this one. I like this one a lot more. There is different colors like red, blue, and so on. I decided to go with the black. But yeah, I think I'm probably going to pick up another one and use it on this one because I really, really like how this feels. One of the main problems with the Apple TV remote is that you pick it up and you don't always know which way is which. And with this, I mean, you got the strap on the bottom letting you know that's the bottom part. You got the raised back here to let you know, it's the front and back. So I like this a lot. So let's go ahead and test out the magnets now, which is kind of the main thing that intrigued me about this case. When I first ordered this and saw that it had the magnets in the back, the first thing I thought of was putting it on this guy right here. This guy sits right next to my sofa, and it's made out of metal. So let's go and stick it on there and see how well that does. Nice, guys. It sticks perfectly. This is exactly what I wanted from this case. Oh, it is sliding down a little bit. So I believe this is not entirely like strong metal. It does have like a little plastic layer on it. But I mean, for the most part, it's doing the job. It does slide down a little bit. Yeah, it slides down a little bit, not too much, but I think it's strong enough to where even if it slides down, there's definitely a hold there. So it's not going to go anywhere, guys. So this is exactly what I wanted. It just sits right there. Bam. That is legit. I mean, even if I don't want it on the side, I can always put it on the back side over here. Out of sight. Legit. All right, guys, so let's try a different surface here. For those of you that might have an Apple TV near the kitchen area, let's see how well this holds up putting it on the refrigerator. Bam, look at that, guys. That is legit. Super legit. This is not going anywhere. That sticks really good. It's on par with the other magnets I got on here. So yeah, this is definitely the way to go.
All right, guys, so final impressions. I like this case a whole lot. I like the feel. It feels good in your hand. It has all the right openings here in the front and back. It is raced in all the right areas. The magnets on the back is definitely not a letdown. The strap down here, if you guys have kids that like to play some of those motion control games on the Apple TV, then this is definitely a plus. It feels and looks a lot like the Wii one, actually. It looks exactly like it. You can adjust the length, and yeah, so definitely a thumbs up. Pick it up. I'll leave the link in the description below if you guys want to go home and pick it up. One thing I do have to let you guys know before I sign off, black option was $7.99. There was other color options, and for some reason it's really weird. Like the red one was $14.99, so they ranged in prices depending on the color. So I don't know if it's a little bit of a supply and demand. Those might be the more popular options. This specific one right here, was $7.99. So make sure you guys are aware of that.
As I was wrapping this video up, guys, I did realize that Elago does sell little metal plates, which will allow you to stick to any surface if you don't have any working metal surface to store your remote for an additional $5.99.
Other than that, thank you guys for joining me. Your boy Easy Does Tech. Peace.